Friends, rejoin me on the journey to Emmaus. In the previous videos, you have already seen the day of the journey, the time of the journey. Now, we will see that the entire incident took place at a time of journey. Now, journey is the key point for Luke. The Gospel according to St. Luke is also called as the Gospel of the Way. Most of the big events take place on the way. For example, the parable of the Good Samaritan happens on the way. And then there are many other incidents that I can go on narrating that takes place on the way. For further reference, read the Gospel according to St. Luke with this perspective that it is the Gospel of the Way. Now, the point of journey. Even before Jesus could enter the scenario, the journey is already begun. The two disciples begin the journey. We do not know where exactly Jesus encountered them, where exactly Jesus met them, where exactly he joined them, or how far the disciples had already traveled. All these things we do not know. But one thing that we know for sure is that the entire incident happens during the journey. The two disciples had already begun the journey, and Jesus comes and joins them at the journey that they were making. If you analyze this particular episode or incident, 4 times the word journey is being used. 2 times with reference to the disciples and 2 times with reference to Jesus. But then there is one key word which is a little different from the word of journey, that is in Greek called as egizo. In Greek, this word egizo means it is not journeying, it's not walking, it's not going, but rather it is approaching. Jesus approached the disciples, and that is not journey, but rather that is part of the journey, but it is not journey. But even that is very, very essential and significant for these disciples who were making a journey. Jesus approaches and comes closer to the disciples. Now, the disciples are making an outward journey, right? The disciples are making a journey from Jerusalem to Emmaus. It's an outward journey, it's a physical journey, but then mark for sure that these two disciples are not making a physical journey or an outward journey, but rather they are making an inward and a spiritual journey. These two who were going away from Jerusalem because of hopelessness situations, because of faithless situations, will ultimately make an inward journey in the spirit to find what they had missed. And this journey, though it looks like outward, it's not outward, it's inward. A spiritual and an internal journey. God bless you. Amen.